Okay, so let's get started. We're going to make our slip knot. And we are going to chain 14. If you do not know how to make the foundation chain, go back to my channel and look for the lesson on foundation chain. I will give you a step-by-step tutorial on how to do the foundation chain. So I'm going to chain 14. You can chain any even number and meet me back when you're done. Okay, so I have chained 14. So now we are ready to learn our new stitch, the half double crochet. Okay, so you are going to yarn over. So yarning over is basically wrapping your yarn around your hook. So you yarn over, yarn over, and we are going to work in the third chain from our hook. So we're skipping 2 chains. So skip 1, skip 2. The loop on the hook never counts. So you're going to skip 1, 2, so we're going to work in this one. You're going to yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through. Now you have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. As you work your stitches, make sure you push the yarn to this part of the hook so your stitches are all the same size. You don't want to just work into this. Like, you don't want to do this and keep it here. You want to make sure you push everything back. Okay? So we're going to do that again. Yarn over, insert into your next stitch, yarn over, so wrap the yarn, pull through, make sure you push your stitches back, yarn over, pull through. Now we have 2 half double crochets. Let's do it again. Wrap your hook around your yarn, insert into your next chain, wrap the yarn around, pull through. You have 3 loops now, yarn over, pull through. Now we have 1, 2, 3. So continue to make half double crochets in each of your stitches, and I will meet you back at the final 2. Okay, so now we are at our final 2 chains. So remember, yarn over, wrap your yarn around your hook, insert the hook, and then catch the hook, the yarn, pull through, 1, 2, 3 loops, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. We have 1 more to go. Yarn over, insert your hook, then you're going to catch this yarn, pull it through, 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 3 loops. So now we have 14, we should have 12 stitches because we skipped the first 2 chains. So let's count our stitches. I like to count them from the hearts on the top or the V's. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Good. Okay. All right, so now we're going to turn our work. In order to do that, you have to first chain 2. Remember how in the beginning chain we skipped 2 chains? Well, that's because that's what helps the project grow. So we're going to chain 2 to make those 14 chains we had earlier, or the 14th chain. So chain 1, chain 2. Now turn your work, turn your work like you are turning a page. So you just turn it over. And now we're going to work half double crochets into the 12 stitches. Okay, so we yarn over. Our first V is, where's the first V? Right here. This is our first V. Insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through, 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. Okay, yarn over, find your next V, work behind both stitches, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, we have 3 loops, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. If you're finding yourself fighting with the yarn, just pull more yarn. You never want to fight with the yarn because that will affect your tension. Okay, so you yarn over, insert, find that hole, insert behind both loops, yarn over, pull through. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to yarn over, pull through, put through both of the V's, yarn over, pull through 3 loops, yarn over, pull through all 3. Okay, so work the rest of the row and I will meet you back on the final 2 chains. Stitches, final 2 stitches. We're on our final 2 stitches. Here's a stitch and here's a stitch. Always look for the V's or the hearts. So you're going to yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops, yarn over, pull through 3, yarn over, insert, yarn over, 3, yarn over, pull through 3. Okay, so we have 2 rows of half double crochet. Just look at the hearts on the front. Here's a row, and there's a row. 2 rows. So chain 2, turn your work, and let's do 2 more rows, and I will meet back with you after you finish your 2 rows. Don't forget to chain 2 at the end of the row so your project can grow. Okay, so I am on my last 2 stitches. So I'm going to yarn over, insert the hook, yarn over, 3 loops, yarn over, pull through 3 loops, and then I will work my last stitch as well. Okay, so we have made 4 rows of half double crochet. So let's count our rows. Look at the front, you'll see the little hearts. So we have 1 row, 2 row, 3 rows, and 4 rows. And I'll also show you how to count your stitches from the front as well. So look for the little hearts again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So even if it feels a little wobbly, it is okay. Just feel free to come back to my video and continue to practice until your hands start to get used to it and your muscle memory will kick in. So continue to practice your half double crochet and I will see you next time.